Hello, and welcome to this introductory video on Oracle Linux. This short video is a beginner's level video covering topics on users and groups for Oracle Linux. After watching this video, you will learn what is a user account and home directory, components of a user account, changing user account login credentials, changing ownership of a login session. You will also learn group topics, what is a group, and creating a new group. A user is a login account on an operating system such as Oracle Linux. Oracle users can log in and use the operating system but cannot administer the operating system. Only system administrators can run system binaries and view system files. Using Oracle Linux, you can create and manage users and groups using command line tools or a GUI tool. The components of a user are a username, which is a unique name for entering in and logging into a system. A password is a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters used to log into a system. User identification number, or UID, is a unique number identifying a user in a system. Group identification number, or GID, is a unique number identifying a group to which a user belongs. Comment, or General Electric Comprehensive Operating System, or GECOS, is a simply information identifying a user. A user's home directory is a directory which is the place where a user logs into and stores files, and a user's login shell is a user's work environment setup. Turning towards groups, a group is a collection of users who can share files and other system resources. Users working on the same project could be formed into a group. Each group must have a group name, a group identification number, or GID, and a list of usernames that belong to the group. Let's explore users and groups more. Run the whoami command to find out which user account is logged in. As you can see, Bob is the user. A user's home directory is a directory where you are taken when you first log into Oracle Linux. The home directory is where you can create and organize all your files and subdirectories. To go to Bob's home directory, use the change directory or cd command. To verify the present working directory, use the pwd command. As you can see, Bob is in the /home/Bob directory. Or you can use the cd command plus the tilde, which takes the user to the same directory. For changing user account login credentials, the passwd command allows you to update your password when it expires or on when needed. When changing a password, there can be a new password requirements such as the number of characters, numbers, and symbols used, the minimum length of the password, and if the password was used already. To change Bob's password, exit from the user Bob to become root. Next, use the passwd command followed by the username Bob. Enter in a new password. Retype the new password again. And the new password for Bob has been updated. For changing ownership of a login session, you can use the su command to change the ownership of the current login session to another user. The su command is commonly used to switch to the root user in Oracle Linux. Let's now create a new user by the name of Charlie. Enter the command user add followed by the name Charlie. You can modify a user's profile by using the user mod command. To add a comment to a user's profile, enter user mod -c for a comment such as new account, followed by the user to modify, which in this case is Charlie. To verify Charlie's account was created and modified, use the cat command to view Charlie's information in the /etc/password file. As you can see, Charlie's account was created successfully and the comment was also added. You can also delete a user's account by using the user del command followed by a user's account name. Use the cat command once again on /etc/password and we can see that the user Charlie was removed. Let's add back Charlie with the user add command again since we'll need him for adding to one of our groups later in this video. As you can see, Charlie's home directory and mail are still intact because we did not specifically delete them. Let's switch the user Charlie using the su command. The dash is used to instantiate the home directory and environment variables of the Switch 2 user. Now I'll verify I am the Charlie user by once again running the whoami command. Enter the exit command to exit from the user Charlie. Again, run the whoami command to verify that I am root. Let's verify the present working directory. Use the pwd command again. Use the su command followed by the dash and username of another user to become that user. Verify that Charlie's home directory is the present working directory with the pwd command. Lastly, use the cd command followed by the tilde and username to change to a user's home directory. Again, verify the present working directory is Charlie's home directory. Now run the groups command to see to which groups Charlie's belongs. To view user and group IDs, run the ID command. The first group listed is the primary group membership. The GID number identifies the number internally to this system. Another method for listing groups and GIDs is to view the /etc/group file. The getEnt command can be used to show a listing of group names to GIDs on a system. Now exit to root. As root, you can create a new group and a specific GID by using the group add command. The -G option specifies the GID number followed by the specific group name. Use the getEnt command once again to find and verify the new group name mygroup exists. Finally, you can add members to a group by running the usermod command. The -A option appends the user to a group specified by the -G option followed by the group name and user to add. Next, add Charlie to the same group with Bob. For a final time, run the getEnt command to verify that both users are members of the new group mygroup. Oracle provides an extensive number of resources which you can use to learn more about the subject and others. Look for additional videos on Oracle Linux and other topics using the links shown. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.